say the new catalog is coming. Today is May 30th. We have one more day in May to excuse me to go ahead and order things from the Occasions catalog and our current annual catalog, and June 1st begins the new adventure with our new catalog, and I'm so excited about the new catalog. It is amazing. I'm excited about the color revamp. Yes, I'm upset about the color revamp. I can't tell you. I have a huge pile over there going through my ink pads and my refills. I have yet to go through my cardstock yet. I've gone through my stamps that are retiring, and yep, there are a lot. And, well, what can I say? This happens every year. I mean, we're excited for new products. We're excited to see new stamps, the new ink colors, the new in colors, the new revamping, the new styled ink pads. There's a lot this year. And I know I'm not alone when I say that. Yeah, I'm a little upset. But, you know, I'm excited about what's to come. So in this box are some new items, and I just want to share them with you. So let's go ahead. I did not open this yet. You can see it's still sealed, and I wanted to open this along with you guys to show you. This is my last of the pre-orders, because my next order I put in is going to be all from the new catalog. As demonstrators, we can pre-order predetermined product. I was able to order some product before with going to the on-stage event in April. I also got my hands on new product before anybody did with being a presenter with on-stage, and I just want to tell you, doing that event on stage in front of hundreds of other demonstrators, I was nervous as heck, but you know what? Getting new product before everybody else, I mean, as a demonstrator, and I'm sure as a customer, you can relate to how exciting that is. The hardest part was keeping quiet and not sharing with anybody any of the new stuff I got, and just kind of hiding out here in my stamp room and creating. So without further ado, let's move on to see what I got. It's a very little box, but I'm a firm believer that good things come in small packages, right? So right off the bat, what are we seeing? Oh my goodness. Woohoo! Look at this. I know, I'm silly. Perhaps I had too much caffeine tonight. But these are all the new colors of ink. Like I said, you'll be able to purchase these in just one more day. So I hope you're working on your wish list. Let me take it all out, and then we'll look at it. Look at this. Okay, snail adhesive. Yeah, not so exciting. Refills. Not so exciting. But you know, these are the new colors that used to be the old colors that were brought back again. And these were two of the colors I got when I was doing my onstage presentation. So, I mean, I've inked them up quite a lot. And, well, I've stamped them up quite a lot. I need to re-ink them. So this is Mint Macaron and Blackberry Bliss. And, yep, these go so well together. So I need to re-ink my ink pad. Here's some new embellishments. Something new for the big shots. Oh, some new vellum sheets. And what else did I get? Oh, it's the bottom of the box. I'll put that on the floor. My kitties will love that. I don't know what it is with boxes and cats. Okay, so let's take a look. Now, Stampin' Up! Did revamp their packaging, too. And it's very classy, like in the packaging for this big shot item. Black and white. Love it, because I'm a black and white kind of girl. With a little pop color, is what I say. So this is cardstock, returning color assortment, 8.5 by 11 cardstock. And then this is new color assortment, 8.5 by 11 cardstock. So I can't get enough cardstock. Yeah, what could I say? I am a cardstock and paper lover. So while we're on the topic of paper, cardstock, how about a little vellum? Now this coordinates with the Graceful Glass stamp set. And I believe there's a die cut. This was a stamp set that I had gotten at On Stage. The great thing about when you go to these events at On Stage, I know I'm digressing back to this, but we make projects with new products, and then at the end of it, what they've been doing is you pass the bucket around of the items that are in there, and you can pick out free items from there. So the stamp set that coordinates with this paper, I actually got for free. Going to these events, you just come home with so much free product and ideas and business ideas, and sorry for the crinkling, but I want to share this paper with you because I did get a previous look at it. So what these are, and there's two, I believe. Is there two of each one? Well, we'll find out. See, already? Okay. Now, I told you before about my cats and boxes. My older cat, Tommy, I don't know what it is with cardboard boxes. If you have a cat that does this, please comment below so I know that my cat is not like crazy. He bites on cardboard boxes, on the flaps of them. So when I put my boxes out for the recycle bin, they must think like I have rats or something because they all have little teeth marks in them. Alright, anyhow. Okay, so these are vellum sheets, and they almost look like they're embossed because they have a raised image, and you can color on these. You can do so many things with these. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I can see cutting these apart. Whew. So two of those. Now, I have a test for you. Take a look at this. This is like one of those things in a child's book where you look at both of them and you see, is there anything different? Can you see anything different? Comment below if you do. But there is something different. That's all I'm going to say about it. So there, you know, I mean, it's very slight. You may not even notice it because you're so excited about how wonderful it looks like. But it doesn't interfere with it in any way. They're not going to be recalling them and sending you new ones out. It's just, they're not both the same. Okay? Here's another one. Same thing. I love that this is raised. Oh, I'm just going to have so much fun coloring. Okay. There's two of this one. And look at this for like ocean waves. And they're 6 by 6 in size, so they're fabulous for cutting down. You can cut these images apart. Look at how beautiful they are. Stained glass. I mean, yes, stained glass. And look at these. I mean, I wish I could have a whole pack of these. Just these little birds sitting on this little wire. And my favorite bird, the cardinal. I have tears in my eyes. I love cardinals. Do you? Look at this. I'm just thinking cutting these apart into strips. You can just get so much out of them. There's so many sheets in here. Look at these. And I mean, okay, I'm just using the back label, but look at when you put like white behind it, how much it stands out. And when that's colored, how about these little triangular type shapes here? And here's some diamond shapes. I mean, more is, they're just more stunning, every one of them as I look at them. Look at that. And your Stampin' Blends would be wonderful on these. And we have our cardboard box, a cardboard piece. But how fun are they? So put them on your list. They are called Graceful Glass 6 by 6 Designer Vellum. You want it, you need it, you gotta have it. Okay, let's look in this little baggie. These are, yes, Susan, turn it right side up, tinted faceted buttons. And you know what? I looked right over these. Look at this. Can you say hello, sparkle? Can you tell I'm excited? Look at those. They're like faceted gems. And they're different sizes. But they're just so much fun. I love them. They're just going to be beautiful. And they don't even look like buttons. And I love these little containers. Save your containers after you use up your product. You could do things with those. Okay, here we have Simply Chamois. Got to play with this at On Stage. And I held off, well, it's not open. Okay, it doesn't have a flappy. I held off on ordering it, and then I decided, yes, I need to have it. So why, you ask? We have our Stampin' Scrub, our Stampin' Mist. Ooh. Let me sniff it. Ooh, it kind of feels a little damp. I'm not really sure what it smells like, but ooh, it's like damp. Ooh. Okay, move on. So this is the Simply Chamois. And what you do is you wet this, and you can use it to clean your stamps. So, like I said, we have Stampin' Mist and Stampin' Scrub. Why do you need this? Well, the new Stamparatus, our new stamp positioning tool, is going to be available for everyone to purchase on June 1st. And you can't drag your Stampin' Scrub over to your Stamparatus to clean it. So, yeah, look at nice and thick. You're going to use this to clean. You can even use this, put it in one of our small stamp cases. You can cut it smaller so you can share it. Put it in a stamp case so you keep it nice. I mean, now it's going to get stained, so it's not always going to be this lovely lavender color. But it's just going to be perfect for cleaning your stamps. And great for on the go if you don't want to take that big Stampin' Scrub. And you don't need your Stampin' Mist, just water. Speaking of Stamparatus, I have an upcoming Stampin' Bingo in June. It's going to be before I have some surgery on my foot. But anyhow, there may be a grand prize of a Stamparatus. Okay, shh, there is going to be. But you know what? Don't tell anybody. It's just between us. So if you live in the area and you want to come out, do some stamping, play some bingo, win some prizes, get a goodie bag, snacks. It's just going to be a fun time. Something new. People are excited about coming, but there's limited seating. So you're going to want to head on over to my stampinsucreates.stampinup.net and check under my events. And under there, you will see the Stampin' Bingo. Let me just double check the date on that. That is going to be Sunday, June 24th, 2018, for those of you that are watching this in the future. Okay, so what is this? Sizzix Big Shot for Stampin' Up. This is the Big Shot embossing mats. Now, I'm going to have to do a demonstration on this because explaining it is just not going to cut it. These are new mats for the Big Shot. And this is like a very thin kind of rubbery type thing. This one is a little bit heavier. And then this one is like our clear plates, but it's frosted white. And you use these with your framelits. And like I said, I have to show you it because you can emboss our framelits. Instead of cutting them out, you can emboss them. And it's so fabulous. So I'm going to play around with it. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because there's definitely going to be a video coming up with that. And there are full directions on here in English, French, German, and Japanese for those of you that are watching in different parts of the country. All right, so here we are. Here are the new Stampin' ink pads, new designs, new colors. Oh, and did I fail to mention? I have a Facebook page, Stampin' Sue Creates, and I'm running a little giveaway over there. And it involves a free ink pad, a free newly designed ink pad. So, if you'd like to get your hands on one, you don't have to make any kind of purchase. You just have to watch the video explaining all the good benefits of the new ink pads and just leave your comment below. It's all explained on the Facebook page. So that's all I'm going to say about that. Stampin' Sue Creates on Facebook. Okay, so let's see. We have Gorgeous Grape. Purple's my favorite color. Granny Apple Green. Let me bring them down so you can see. Here we have Gray Granite. Boring, but in its day. Look at it with the purple. Hello. Highland Heather. A little bit lighter than Gorgeous Grape. We have Mango Melody. Sorry about that little light circle thingy. Mary Merlot, for those of you wine drinkers. Mint Macaron, which I already have, but I need more. Mossy Meadow. Petal Pink. Poppy Parade. Look familiar? It should. It was a previous in color. Oh, I'm running out of time. What do we have here? Soft Sea Foam